Today I'm going to show you how to order a book from Ingram Spark. So the very first thing you're going to do is go to ingramspark.com, and this is where your book is being published and distributed to bookstores across online and offline, so across the world. So the first thing you're going to do is click login, and you're going to put in your username and password there. After you've put in your username and password, you'll be on your home screen. And what you can see is there's orders over here, and you want to double check on your recent titles that it says that it's available for printing. That means that your book is ready to order. So what you want to do is click on orders and then check mark the box of the book you want to order and click add items to order. Once you do that, it will price the order. You can choose where you want it shipped, and then it will tell you how long it will take to ship there. Then you can choose if you want express or how long it will take. Now, this is saying it prints in 1 business day, and then you have to add the shipping onto that. So make sure if you need your books right away that you're calculating the print days as well as the shipping days. And so you just want to put in your quantity. Now it tells you right here that the carton quantity is 80. So if you wanted 2 boxes, then it would be 160 bucks, right? And then you can update the order to show what that price will be. So you can see the price here, $2.43 a book, plus your handling fee, your subtitle, your shipping, your tax, and your total order. Or if you just want to do 80 books, update the order. And that's how you order from Ingram Spark. Of course, you're going to check out, you're going to submit the order, you're going to put in your credit card number and make sure that you selected the right credit card, the right shipping address for your credit card, and the right mailing address for the credit card. And that's how you order books on Ingram Spark. This is Jen Foster with Elite Online Publishing.